So till now we have seen what is enterprise structure. Okay. Some set of org elements like company code, sales organization, distribution channel, and division, and their assignments we have seen till now. Okay. Now let's try to see by using the sales area. What is the sales area we have created? So this is the sales organization. This is for distributor distribution channel. This is division. By using the sales area, we have to create a customer. So like how system will come to know. So like you created a sales area, when you are creating customer, if you link this sales organization, then the customer is belongs to that sales organization. So this is the sales area. So what is basically customer master data? We have different kind of master data are there. Okay. One is customer master data. In that customer master data, you are having the address details and what kind of customer he is. So certain attributes will be there. In the similar way, you have material master data. This master data basically created by consultants, but practice system we are going to create it. Next one is condition master data. It is again SD master data. Okay. And we have one more master data, output master data. Okay. These are the 4 master data are there. Okay. Coming days, first we see customer master data and material master data. Once we can able to create it a sales order, within the part of that, we are going to see condition master data also. Output master data, after some time we'll see output, like you have suppose sales order, if you'd like to print output, like there is something called olden days fax is there, nowadays not much using, and there is something called email. So order details, billing details, you can able to send to email for your customer for communication. Basically this is communication data. Okay, so leave about all these 3. Today we are going to see customer master data. Okay, so in customer master data, like in SAP system, how you are storing your sales organization, distribution and division in the form of code, right? In the similar way, we are also going to store our customers in the form of numbers. Okay, or else alphanumeric sometimes, but 99% it will be numbers. Okay, so like if I say 100 customer, with this number it will be stored. If I say 150 customer, it will be stored in the form of the numbers, customer master data. Okay, like how you are going to divide your customer master data. Okay, so your customer master data is going to divide it into 3 tabs. One is general data, and the second one is sales and distribution data, and third one is your company code data. Okay, so customer related, which GL account, where it need to be posted, what are all the terms and conditions from finance department. Okay, all these related data will be there in company code data. Second one is sales and distribution data, like when, who is our customer, when to deliver the stock, where to deliver the stock, who is our bill to party, bill he has to receive or some other person need to receive. General data means like how company code, and if you see that sales office having address, right? In the similar way, your customer details also required sometimes. Okay, not sometimes, every time it is required. So if you don't know the address, if you don't know whether your customer is true customer or not, if you're going to do the business, he might create problems for payment, or different kind of, he might be criminal also, who knows, like so business should know what kind of customer he is. Okay, so certain fields will be there in SAP, like to send legal notice and all these things. Okay, that's a deeper part of the discussion of the master data. Simply, I would like to say customer master data is nothing but what? Details of your customer. That's it. Material master is nothing but details of your materials. Okay. So why this account group and partner determination is part of your customer master data. Without these, we are not able to create a customer. You can create a customer, but you cannot able to save on SAP system. Why these are mandatory? Why these are very important? I would like to explain you in another few minutes. Before that, let me show you something. One example. So our sales organization is 2727, right? So this is Dhruvan Foods. Okay. So as I told that this is for distributors, this is for wholesalers, distribution channel, this is for your retailers. Okay. Assume that from distributor, I have a person called Jack. One person is there. Okay. He is from France. Okay. He got an order. Okay. So we have 4 mandatory functions are there in customer master data. Okay. Like why it is, I would like to explain. Okay. So Jack raised an sales order to 2727 sales organization. He is a distributor, then distribution channel is this, division is this. Okay. Once he raised the sales order, the person, technical term, you try to remember this, the person who receives the order will call him as sold to party. Sold to party means ordering party. Okay. So sold to means like he is the party. What kind of party he is? He is giving order to us. Okay. This is the person responsible to give the order. He is a legal person. Like Jack is the legal person. Okay. I'll tell you some scenarios. Okay. Now Jack is sold to party. So Jack said that. So he is having units, sales units in France, distribution units. So he's having one more in India and one more in USA. For example, I'm saying 3 distribution units. First, he ordered for France location. Okay. Second, he might order for India location. Third, he might order for USA. So such a cases, okay. So he is the person giving the sales order. Okay. But delivery need to be delivered to where? So Jack is sitting, he's the owner sitting in France. So like, let's take an example. Ship to party. Ship to party means the person who receives the goods. Receiver of goods. You have to understand, these are very important, these concepts. Okay. In SD, if you don't understand what is customer and what is material, it is very difficult. Try to concentrate, it is easy. Okay. Ship to party is so like so he said, like, you know, in France, Avenue Street 28, 27 or 28. Okay. So like France, some location he has given. Okay. It need to be received. Some city. So send Jack only receiving the goods, then he is, so that means he is delivering the delivery, he is receiving. Okay. He is the ship to party. Now let's try to take bill to. Okay. Another function is bill to. Suppose you went to some shop, you bought a like pack of biscuits. So then Guru is ordering party. So then Guru is taking the biscuits himself. Then Guru is ship to party. So for Guru, how much bill need to be paid? Shop person told. So then Guru is bill to party. Let's try to understand this. In this case, Jack himself bill to party. Okay. Bill receiver. Okay. Only bill he is receiving. And next, payer. Like who is paying the bill? That is important. How he is paying the bill is mode of payment, like a credit card or cash or something, Google Pay or whatever it may be. Okay. So Jack is payer in this case. Okay. So payer means who pays the bill. I am just writing payer as a payer. See why I write this is general language. You have to understand these parties. So this is like, SAP told like, these are. So apart from that, assume that your business assume that, he is having like, sometimes you can create a plant as partner. I will show you later. Okay, first you try to understand. Sometimes you can create a technicians. Okay, technician as partner in business. Like, suppose you bought an iPhone, so you got a repair, you have a warranty of a year, so you got some repair, they will send the technician to your home, or else you'll go to the service center there. iPhone service center on behalf of iPhone, either third party or direct employee as a technician working with iPhone. So like, when you raise a repair order, you should know which technician is working on my iPhone repair. Like that, you have a technician. Like that, sometimes employee will be there. Okay, sometimes consignee. Okay, like consignment means consignment location will be there, we will discuss later. So different kind of partners will be there. Okay, you don't try to concentrate on all this, I will show you on the system. You try to concentrate on all these four. Okay, these are the four mandatory functions. So minimum you required, suppose you went to shop, like what product you would like to order, then you become like a sold to party, ordering party. So when you bought a stock, like, you are taking with your hand, or else you would like to uh, send it to your home address, so you are receiving party. You immediately, if you receive the bills, your bill to party. So then if you pay the bill, you are payer. In shop scenario, I'm telling like, everything is you. But sometimes I will tell you one example. Okay, now we have discussed with one product called iPhone, right? So assume, I'll just correlate this example with simple example, you try to understand this. So I'm just trying to copy all this to below to differentiate the scenario. Okay, let me try to copy some two more times so that you can better understand this. Okay, so one more time, and again one more time, like, and so on, one more time. Okay, first case it is clear. Jack is the person who orders the, assume that iPhone, or else let's take our example only, chocolates and biscuits. He orders, he is the sold to, he is the ship to, he is the bill to, he is the payer. Let's take an example. If you take Indian scenario, I told, right, he is having distribution units three places. Suppose he is having in India. Okay, in India, like, Jack actually ordered for our company, so then he is the sold to. But in India, some more person is there. Okay, some more person called Sundar. Okay, he is located at his distribution unit. So the it is there some address like, 38 Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Suppose he is located in Hyderabad. So in this case, ship to party he is. Okay, so bill to party again Jack, and payer also Jack. That means he ordered, Sundar received for distribution location for Indian operations, bill received by Jack only, and payer is. Let's take another example, USA. So in this case, for US orders, Jack is again ordering, but ship to is something like Sam. One person is there. So some other ship to location is there. That means USA, Los Angeles, Sam is the person receiving. So in this case, it is changed. So in this case, Jack don't want to pay. Okay, because of some tax issues or something like that, payment is done by US only. So then bill is received by Sam only. Okay, payer also Sam only. Okay, so let's take another example. Okay, in this example, instead of Jack, King is ordering sometimes his brother. Okay, so King is receiving the goods, but bill sending to his brother like Jack. You pay, and a payer also he is. Like that, for different scenarios, it will come into picture. Okay, I'll try to extend this example is something more interesting. So you'll come here. Okay, this is one kind of scenario I'll show you. So different kind of scenarios will come. According to that, we'll try to create customer master data. Okay, so person. Okay, so in this scenario, like Jack is ordering for multiple countries. He is having assume that some 10 locations. So ship to Jack if it is in France. Okay, some location Sundar is there. Okay, some location King, his brother, is there. Some location Ramesh, one more person is there. Some location um, Akbar is there. Some other person. Okay, so like bill to party again Jack will be there. Pair either Jack or his friend King or his brother King. Like that, if you see this example is much more, it's not complex, like you have to create it. All these are the location where he is doing the business. Okay, Jack. So like this, so the company is for this Dhruvan Foods, he would like to for the sales organization, someone is ordering, like he should know, the company should know who is correct party. Okay, who actually orders. If something fails, like to whom against I need to file a case actually. So who is shipped to, who is billed to, who actually receiving the bills. Certain companies, like ship to, instead of ship to is there, ship to location. Apart from that, one more person is there, contact person. Okay, suppose you ordered a premium iPhone from iPhone company. So you are the company owner. You are so busy, like you are not able to receive the goods. So then he will tell that my you just meet the contact person in my office. Assume that you are the vice president of your company, like iPhone is also one different company. So so then the contact person will be like some guru will be there. Okay, so he will receive on behalf of his boss Jack or something like that. So this is how you have to create your customer master data. There is nothing to worry about that. So whatever the partners you are creating, right, those partners will be determined by your partner determination. This is why I have explained this theoretical example. Like whatever the business you are going to do for company side or else vendor side or else plant side or else anything, to whom you are contacting, finance department, material department or purchase department, but we are in sales, that's why we try to understand our sales partners. So this is done through partner determination. So each group of customers, like these partners, will be grouped through account group. What account group will do? Account group, it is controlling first thing, number ranges. Number ranges means like while creating customer, you are entering number on your own manually. This is called external number range. External number range, like you are giving you are giving number 345 this customer, 234 this customer, 123 this customers, like that you are entering numbers. Or else you are giving number range in a sequence, like you said that this account group is supposed to give 1 to 1000 numbers. You're giving intelligence to the system, like please generate these numbers. When I'm creating first customer, it will generate with number 1. When I'm creating second customer, it will create with 2. When you are creating customer, another customer, 3 4, like and so on, it will create like till 1000. Okay, before 1000, like it will create 999, like that 1 to 1000 numbers. And that means 1000 customers. Assume that you are having 100 customers, you are having a small business, 100 distributors, but you are thinking that in future, like you have a imagination, like in your lifetime it might lead to like 1000 distributors I am going to add. by another 25 years. After that, I may live, I might not live. First, he thought about that. Or else, if he is pre-assuming the future, he is giving 25,000. Whether I am there or not, my industry will be successful because my product is good. That's why I am giving 1 to 25,000 numbers. Or else, I will say to the SAP system, 1 to 1000 is for distributors. Okay. In the similar way, 1001 to 5000 is for wholesalers. 5001 to 25,000 is retailers, because in market retailers is more. Like this, you can able to command your SAP system so that whenever you create a distributor, number will be picked on this from this range. Okay. And it controls whether number ranges are internal or external. Okay. You have to remember this. There is an entry question on this. Okay. And what account group will control. And second is, what is that? Second is what account group is going to control? Field selection parameters. What are all these field selection parameters? So in customer master data, so many fields will be there. It is going to control whether it is mandatory or optional or only for display, or else what? If you want like to hide, you can hide it for your customer. Like, this is technical, like you can able to control it through this configuration. This is how account group is going to control your number ranges, field selection parameters, and and your partner determination is going to determine your partners. Your account group is going to control your partners also. Okay, which number I have to give, internal or external number range. Okay, so that means your account group and partner determination are interlinked. Account is nothing but whether it is a customer account or vendor account. You are telling to the SAP system, I would like to use this account as a customer. Then immediately system should ask, like, whether you would like to enter a number on your own or else you would like to create it by myself, so that you have to create it in number ranges. Okay, so once number ranges are ready, then this number to whom I need to generate it, sold to party or ship to party, bill to party or payer, this is determined by your partner determination. This is all about the theory. We would like to see in next session how we are going to configure account groups and partner determination on SAP system.